Let's see. We're gonna blend some of this in my hat. Save some of this. Shit, how did I do this thing? How did I make this thing? Let's see. Fit it. Oh man, make a lemonade. They call No. Where you going? That's all.
Crazy. You know how much germs was on that wrench?
Now you have something.
I'm not drinking that.
Oh yeah, I gotta have something.
You use that dirty wrench.
I'll wash it. It's okay. So this thing right here. You say it up.
Ew. Yee.
They call mint lemonade. You can have some. I'll share with you.
Nope.
800-4-RELIEF.
I'll share
The
with you.
3-week quick start developed for you. Just go to relieffactor.com or call 800-4-RELIEF. Move more, live more, and just enjoy your life more with Relief Factor.
Clay Travis at Buck Sexton, making sense.
What about Coke in this? What happened?
The hell?
You're at work. Breaking news station. News Radio 740 KTRH.
The IRS is making all sorts of changes, exceptions, special cases. Go to toptaxdefenders.com. You've had problems with the
Golly.
Don't worry. Hand it over to them.
Crazy.
Toptaxdefenders.com. Let them deal with the IRS for you.
What the hell you doing?
Direct prices are unbeatable every day. It's Friday through Sunday.
Crazy, crazy.
This is it. The biggest store-wide sale yet this year.
Crazy good.
For 20% on rings,
Oh,
earrings,
Lord.
bracelets, wedding bands, just about everything's on sale. Plus, entire designer collections have been flown in for this event. With each piece specially priced, it doesn't get any better than this.
Indian guy, don't let.
Extreme value.
I'm gonna play that minute.
Direct's Fresh Pick 3-day store-wide sale. Friday through Sunday. Diamonds Direct. Inside the loop next to Baybrook Mall.
Justin Allen, the Bell Oaks new inventory.
But they put all in the blender.
New home sites opening in
Blend them real
phase
small.
9. Be the first to see